even when we're talking to people in terms of this project and we mention what song calls you home, the amount of people that are mentioning Bualadh Óg, it's an anthem of Wexford. You know, it's known not just in Wexford or in Ireland, it's known all over the world. So it was a song we certainly had to include in the project. And what's really special about this was that we were able to rely on Brian O'Cleric there, who's on the call here, a local historian with extensive knowledge, and again willing to come and share that with us, so that it enriched the project as a whole. And then what was really lovely was we were able to get the community of Wexford singers together. Down on Tulloch, again in that lovely monument, a lovely day of chatting and, you know, trying to get this right. But these men are professionals, like they did it in one take. And it's a powerful piece. I'll share a little piece of it, but again, that connection with place, and you know, that the generosity as well of the singers, I have to say, as you know, as I mentioned, you know, Phil Berry looking out the Wexford man. I'm not a Wexford woman. I've made my home down here, but you know, I appreciate, you know, when people allow me inside of that, you know, that journey inside of that, to appreciate and understand and learn from that. So you know, this was for me a very special day. We're going to share a little clip of it, the power of it. Where am I going? 7:25. Okie dokie. And here we are here. Our grand glory.